Hey everyone, let's talk really fast about this flu, this stomach bug, these sinus issues, the feeling run down. Let's talk about those symptoms really fast because it's not fun. Do me a favor, go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com/immunity-newsletter. That is the name of the newsletter, elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com/immunity-newsletter. And you'll see there are 3 photos I did in the past, 3 immune system newsletters. So immune system high, stress low. If you've been with me all season, come August, September, October, you should have already been working on your immune system. I say this over and over. It's very important. Don't wait till you're sick. The people who call today and book last minute, these are the people who've been with me for a while. They know if you're starting to feel not good, come in right away. Come in right away so you can feel rejuvenated. It's going to rain this week, supposedly. And I can tell you, when you receive acupuncture while it's raining, it is the best feeling. It is totally the best feeling. Another thing that you should be doing is wearing a scarf. I'm going to show you how to wear a scarf. So it's doubled, and then you just tie it around. Or you can just put it around just like that. Looks stylish, looks cute. This is one way that I've been keeping myself super healthy all season. I tend to wear it the other way, the one where you loop around. So again, for those of you who are new to the scarf, double it. And you can have this little hole here. Put it here. Oh my gosh, look how easy that is. So if you go to Instagram, you'll see that I have 2 channels. There's one that's Anna Dolopo, DACM. That's more my fun channel. And then there's one for natural pregnancy and fertility specialist. That one is under Dr. Anna Dolopo. You'll see the natural, if you want to get pregnant naturally, just to let you know, that is naturalpregnancyspecialist.com. Totally different topic, but just want to let you know in case you see Anna Dolopo, DACM, for Doctor of Acupuncture and Chinese Medicine, and Dr. Anna Dolopo, it's me. So going back to the immune system, if you're feeling the flu, the stomach bug, feeling run down, fever, sore throat, cough, a couple of dry coughs that came in today, and after the treatment, they said, oh my gosh, I feel so much better. I have this little thing that if I ever have any symptoms, I want to fix it within 4 hours. Treat it within 4 hours. In my car, I have the immune system herbs for my kids every day since age 1. They take the herbs with rare exception, myself included. So I'm taking herbs. So if you want to take some herbs for your immune system, you got to pay attention who's talking to you. If you have a practitioner or you have friends who are getting sick all the time, you need to figure out why. If you travel, the people who've been with me for a while, they know before they travel, when they travel, before surgery, after surgery, they're coming in for acupuncture so that we could speed up the healing process. I'll be doing another video and newsletter for surgery, but it's the same concept. You want to prepare yourself, and then when you do have it, you want to come in right away. You want to prepare yourself so you don't get sick, but if you do get sick, you want to treat yourself right away. Immune system high, stress low. Okay, so again, check out elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com/immunity-newsletter. I've done 3 newsletters, and you'd be surprised how quickly you can recover. I talk about COVID, I talk about sore throat, I talk about viruses, bacterial infections, vaginal bacterial infections. I talk about, if there's an infection, I have discussed it somewhere in the last 26 years in a video. So if you didn't know before this video, now you know. I meet people, they're like, what's acupuncture for? Name it, acupuncture can treat it. But more importantly, acupuncture can prevent an immune issue from arising. Keeping your immune system high, your stress low. Again, the people who are coming in recently, they're like, oh my gosh, I had this flu, I had this stomach bug, I had, and it's like, well, I could have fixed it if you came in right away. But more importantly, if you had been consistent since you wouldn't have gotten sick. And I love to be a living example of that. So keep your immune system high and your stress low. Wear your scarf. Stay very warm. Your gloves, your beanie. I mean, I know it looks cool to look cold, but it's not cool to be cold. All right? Stay warm. Stay warm. Just on a side note, I'm going to reiterate, when it rains, getting acupuncture when it rains is the best feeling. We got the high ceilings, the rain, hitting the windows, and you're on the hot, warm table and the blankets. You got your eye pillow, and some people don't like eye pillows. They got their music, they got their podcast, they're reading a book, they're listening to a book. It's the best feeling. So if you want to feel restored and rejuvenated, I call it the Formula One treatment. The people who came in today, especially, it's Monday, they don't have time. Yesterday was Super Bowl Sunday, and they're feeling run down, or they're traveling this week and they don't have time to be sick. I call it the I don't have time. Mommy doesn't have time for this, SHIT. Mommy doesn't have time for this. So they come in, they're like, give me that treatment because I need to be restored. Because it's not gonna let up. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. Elements in Harmony Acupuncture.com/immunity-newsletter. You should stay very energetic, very alive, very vital, and acupuncture can help you do that. I strongly recommend you text me at 619-341-4341 and ask me, what herbs do you take? And I'll say, come on in, or I can send you the herbs. I'll mail them to you if you're a current patient. All right? On a side note, I also have a Graduate from Pain program. And for those of you who don't know what it is, go to Elements in Harmony, Acupuncture.com, and I have a Graduate from Pain, and it's been going really well. We want to graduate you within 3 months, at least 50 to 80% improvement if you have chronic pain. Elements in Harmony, Acupuncture.com/graduate-from-pain. And also, I started practice at 99. I walked away from the insurance world in 2008. However, we have brought it back. If you want us to check if your out-of-network insurance covers non-fertility acupuncture, we can do that. Text 619-341-4341. We are Orange County based right here in beautiful Laguna Hills. I'm going to ask you to send me your front and back of your card. I'll send you our email and also your date of birth. And I ask that that our biller gives us 5 business days to get back the information. And I'll give you all the logistics of how we bill and exactly what we bill, so we have full transparency, okay? And for those of you who want to get pregnant naturally, we do not accept any cases outside of natural fertility. So after hundreds of IVF babies, IUI babies, we only take natural fertility now. Go to naturalpregnancyspecialist.com. All right, take care. Again, this is Dr. Anna Dolopo. I'm board certified. I'm a licensed acupuncturist. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. We have amazing doctors and practitioners here, including a neuromuscular sports massage therapist with over 20 years experience, Nicole Davidson. We have Pam Kaur. She's also been a registered nurse, I think, for at least 40 years, trained by the Indian Army. And that's Pam Kaur. And we also have Dr. Shore Omidi, who also comes in with over 20 years experience as a prosthetist and an orthotist. So she has 20 years experience in the hospital setting regarding feet, all that stuff. And we have Melissa McCullough, an amazing licensed acupuncturist, and Dr. Hope Lynn is on vacation. So check us out. Have fun. Again, Elements in Harmony, Acupuncture.com/immunity-newsletter, and you'll see the 3 newsletters I did specifically on the immune system. Take care.